My dad actually, surprisingly enough, transitioned out of academia into finance. So he did a lot of risk and risk management for a lot of the banks and financial firms in Toronto.
Interesting.
Doing modeling, but not our kind of modeling, but actual
like risk modeling, modeling, statistical modeling, and stuff like that.
Yeah, so a lot of deep in code, deep in all these different kind of math software. And that was kind of like my first little peek into the financial world. I remember just meeting up with him in high school for lunch or whatever, and had to walk through these tunnels in Toronto that run underneath all the banks, and you just kind of see everybody buttoned up and suited up walking around. And I thought that was kind of cool. And I was like, these people look so important. I wonder what they're up to. And that sort of, I guess, subconsciously kind of poked me towards business school. And that's kind of how I ended up at Stern, I guess.